my god. Dumbass. Hello, Jonah. No, just do stare. Hello, Jonah. I like you so much. Help me. Oh my god. No. I wonder how Kid Boo would you let Bowser hit when they fail. Jonah, I'm gonna bust. Bust. Negrito. I'm about to blow. Oh baby. What the fuck, man? You should kill yourself now. Okay. I did it, Edward. I ate Makoto world. Makoto name is Hajime Hello, Jonah. You have the guy to say my condolences. Wet and wild. Rich chicken. What is happening with his legs? I don't give a shit. I love man. I ain't doing all that. Oh, like Chubby Emu. What is Jonah saying? I'm gonna bust. Fuck Jacob Orca. That's very cool, Jonah. I don't know what that is. Mwah. I'm gonna bust. Wet and wild. It's okay. Among Us. I'm about to flash. Nigga, the zombies are coming. I'm gonna bust in your mouth, Jigglypuff. I'm gonna bust in your mouth, Jonah. He's dead as fuck. The ultimate dumbass. Hey, what were you saying just now? Little kids. Oh, hell. I'm about to fucking nut. My bad. Yellow wolf.
Young.
I'm about to come. Yes, I am. I'll be waiting for love. Waiting for love.